Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give some quick instructions here on the Tuatara investigation, just to give an explanation on this one real quick. So this is similar to the ones we did with the amphibians, but this one is going to be just about the Tuataras. So with Tuataras, there isn't really a lot of room to select from. They're pretty similar to one another, and it's debatable whether or not they're one species or multiple species. So we're just talking about the Tuatara in general for this one. So the first part just asks, what scientific order does the Tuatara belong to? So you'll put an answer for that. Where does it live in the world? There's another one. And here, Echo is joining me for this one, my little cat. She was crying while I was trying to record, so she's joining me for this one. Sorry, should have explained that earlier. So where does the Tuatara live in the world? Go ahead and put that part down. Number 2 here, how many chambers does it have in its heart? So again, think about what most reptiles have based on the information that we've presented. We're not going to see a lot of exceptions to that until we start getting into crocodilians. Number 3 here, when the Tuatara goes through reproduction, what type of intromittent organ does the male use to deposit sperm in the female for internal fertilization? So again, with a lot of reptiles, we'll see that males use something for placing sperm inside of the female, with at least one exception, though. So, do the males have a single medial penis, paired hemipenes, or no intromittent organ? Do they just have to basically apply it to where each cloaca is on either side for the sex cells to pass through? Number 4 here, after fertilization, do females produce eggs or give live birth? So further along in the reproduction process, do the females lay eggs or do they give live birth as far as just little babies that come immediately out of the cloaca? 5, what does the Tuatara eat? Based on its diet, would you classify it as a carnivore, herbivore, omnivore? And 7, how does it defend itself from predators? And like what we've talked about with the Tuatara, due to the way that they are set up, they weren't very well prepared for predators on their island. But again, try to give the best explanation you can as far as what they do have at their disposal for protecting themselves. So again, I hope that this makes sense. I know it's pretty similar to the other ones we did for the amphibians, so I think it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to call me, email me, or you can show up for our science department office hours from 9:30 to 10:30 every weekday via Zoom. And then say bye, Echo. Bye.